apparently they are the same people that are fixing this ones too. The motors. Sorry, my camera is not able to. Good. So the distance. Accelerator. Okay.
Connecting to the carburetor.
Where carburetor? Okay. Carburetor.
Now we are
Air cleaner. Okay. Air cleaner, calibrator, accelerator cable. So we now umya speeder at the power and the okay, wait. So from here you can see where it changes. That's it. Gradually you are finishing. Okay. So in case you are starting a motor, what are you saying? In case you are starting the motor and it's not starting, you could use this side. Press this place. Then when you do it, it causes this place to move. You see, it's moving like that. Okay. So he's fixing the fuel tap. The name is tap fuel. No. The name sounds like something that taps fuel. So this guy we take it like that. Taps fuel. Yeah, it taps fuel. Taps fuel. So we have a lot there. So this is a fuel tank. Okay. And a fuel gauge. So that's a fuel gauge and this is the fuel tank. So it's going to be fixed like this, making sure everything when we come to this place. So it has been fixed. Fixed in a way that everything fits. So that's it. It has been fixed. That's the fuel tank. The one the Apsonic is on top. That's the fuel tank. Wow. So this is how it looks now. So this fuel tap to the fuel tank. So probably it can tap fuel, draw fuel from the tank to this one, to the engine for it to be able to operate. To the carburetor. Okay, to the carburetor. So this is the opening. So that's it. That's it. So he's come to fix the tires. So he's fixing the tires and the tires has been fixed. correct one. When you say correct, car tire, you know, motor tire, you know. I think that locks it. No, we more than front brake. Okay, that's the front brake. So, okay, that's the brake being connected. So how it's done in bicycles and every other place. Wow. That's a front brake. And it's the same front brake. Okay. And you know, speed now, corner now. The speedometer. The speedometer cable. So I mean, when you are, because it reads the speedometer of the tire and everything, and then you see the reading up there. So whenever your speedometer is reading, it's not gauge, it's not working. It's because of this cable. Wow. You can see. What's the way there? Helping gear. Okay, so we know when this is the helping gear, as I said earlier. So connecting with this one, so it's just climbing hill. Okay. This for the overload, like a lot of heavy weights on the car, so you use this one to help you with the gear. So this is the brake rod, brake rod. So this will help with the brake. Like that particular one I showed you, the front one, and this one helps with the back. The back there. So there are wires that will be connected to it that gives the signal to the rear tires, to the rear distance for them to be able to, excuse me, let's move here. The headlights. Because you said they are two. He's also fixing the other brake to the other side of the tire. So left and right. This is the right one. So the left one also have this. So this is it. Wow. The lighting system. The lighting system. So the headlight here. So we are getting closer, but we are not yet done yet. In the part 3, we will see the final stages of this Abuboya, the tricycle. being built. So stay tuned and watch it till the end. Okay, part 3 is coming up. And surely you don't want to miss it, because that is the final stage. That's where you see everything being crowned into its final glory. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and comment your thoughts on this channel. Remember, this is Vamak. We bring the world closer to you. Thank you, family.